Compaq 126 cm, 50 inches. HUEQ A Series 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV. Product information. Resolution 4K Ultra HD, 3840x2160. Refresh rate 60 Hz, 178-degree wide viewing angle. Connectivity to HDMI ports to connect set-top box, Blu-ray speakers or a gaming console to USB ports to connect hard drives or other USB devices, IR port to control connected devices like DVD STB players. Sound 20 watts output, powerful box speakers with stereo sound, Dolby audio. Smart TV features. WebOS TV experience built-in brings together your favorite streaming content on the home screen. Choose from a vast catalog of movies and TV shows from Prime Video, Hotstar, Netflix and more. Dual-band Wi-Fi built-in WebOS TV OS apps, YouTube, Prime Video, Netflix, Hotstar and more. Display mirroring for compatible devices. Display, durable A+ grade DLED panel, ultra bright screen for flawless picture quality even in bright rooms. Warranty information, 1-year warranty provided by manufacturer from date of purchase. 1.07 billion colors and 400 nits peak brightness produce a wider range of colors and deeper, darker blacks. So whether you are watching a movie or playing video games, you can be sure of more accurate and truer-to-life colors. With the universal control feature, you can control all your connected devices such as the set-top box, soundbar, OTT, etc. with the magic remote and see the magic come alive. Live free and expands your accessibility to control smart TV without missing your favorite content. ThinQ AI learns your viewing habits and patterns to make suggestions and recommend movies, music, and more. Hybrid Log Gamma HLG delivers a more convenient solution for the broadcast world, with an extended color gamut with HDR providing an enhanced brightness, contrast, and sharpness beyond the standard dynamic range, making up for a seamless broadcast. Miracast enables seamless display of multimedia content between Miracast devices. Miracast allows users to wirelessly share multimedia, including high-resolution pictures and video content between Wi-Fi devices. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.